And I don't have to go far, because here we have Johnny's Workshop with a large 4-lane Carrera layout, all flat track. What cars have we got running right now? That looks like a NASCAR, and so does that. So yes, I think we're looking at NASCARs. I do like Carrera track. I'm not a massive fan of these borders, even though they are huge, and I like that. I'm not sure I would really put up with the garish curbs myself, but it's certainly a very nice track system. I do like it. White lines, I could leave those out, but yeah, sounds good. I presume the continuity is good, the lane spacing is good, the borders are wide. So wide, there's no need for barriers on here. Where are the drivers? I think with the future of slot car racing, it's safe. I'm seeing a lot of children here this weekend. A lot of parents with the children, but it's so nice to see. And look, we've got a result.